to make money online. Leave a like to this video as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and watch till the end to learn and start making money online. Let me quickly demonstrate some of the payment options available and how you can withdraw the money that you earn. Don't worry if you don't have a PayPal account, you can cash out your money directly into your bank account. They essentially support any nation around the globe, and you can even withdraw your funds in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. This method is also quite simple to use. Just consider how much money you might potentially make. Now, you might think that this is a small amount of money, but keep in mind that it all piles up rapidly. I'll show you my secret method. You can repeat it as many times as you like. This will be the first website we launch, and all you have to do is complete a few little tasks to start earning money. For example, you can like videos, watch videos, complete some simple surveys, visit certain websites, or send some simple emails to start earning up to $4 or $10. Once again, you can choose any task you want to perform, and I'll show you which one is the best to do so that you can save a lot of time and complete it in 1 to 2 minutes while earning a lot of money online. PicoWorkers is the name of the first website where you can perform some basic tasks and earn a ton of money. Once again, you can receive some free money after signing up. Take a look at this sign-up bonus of 75 cents. By creating an account and receiving the bonus, you may start looking for jobs and earning free money right away. The simplest ways to get money on this website are by liking and watching videos. And if you stick with me through to the end of this video, I'll show you a clever little hack that can quickly double your earnings, so you may earn even more money than other users. I'd like to share with you one more method, and that is the referral program. If you have a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Tumblr account, you can share this with your friends or even strangers. And if they sign up and use the service, you can get paid commissions for whatever work they complete. Isn't that awesome? They complete the task, and you get paid a commission. If you don't want to rely on commissions or referrals, you can always do the work yourself. The more referrals that you get over time, the more they will grow and stack up. And this will become your second source of passive income once more. You may complete all of the tasks while watching videos and liking videos, earning $2, $5, $40, and $80, which are beneficial and easy to complete in less than 30 seconds. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Returning to the video, you must complete the tasks on this website to be paid by the employer. I'll explain how to do that precisely so that you don't make any mistakes, because many people submit incorrectly, or they don't submit anything at all, which is why they are unable to earn any money on this website. But first, let's look at another website where you can earn points. This one works on a points system, and once you've accumulated enough points, you can cash them in for real money. Currently, 1,000 points are equivalent to $1 at the time of recording this video. And I'll show you a sneaky trick to earn 500. Another feature for you is that if you're browsing from outside the United States, all you have to do is download Proton VPN, which is a free VPN service, on your computer or phone. This will enable you to sign up when you visit a website like this because, as I'm sure many of you know, many websites out there are blocking your country. Therefore, be sure to try using Proton VPN or any substitute. Now, the name of this website is Earnably. It is undoubtedly a legitimate website, but if you are from one of the smaller countries or a third world country like I am, you should use Proton VPN to register. On this particular website, you may earn money just by watching videos. To get started, click on one of the companies, visit their website, and watch the video in full without skipping a beat. When using a phone or computer, you can let it play in the background while you use other applications or take care of other tasks, and it will play automatically. The best thing is that if you have many mobile devices, like 2 or 3 phones, at home with your family members including your parents, siblings, and other relatives, you may earn even more money. And if you combine the two websites, you can quickly earn $40 within minutes. Once more, keep in mind that spending time doing anything else will only waste your time. Instead, concentrate on watching and liking videos. Avoid doing surveys because they pay very little. I'll now demonstrate the third website, StreetBees. By completing extremely basic activities on this website, you can earn a sizable sum of money each time you send a text or message. Look at this for a moment. If you have a smartphone, you can log in, register, and create a free account. They'll ask you to take pictures, like of coffee or your coffee maker, among other things. And they'll send you a message that you must reply to. When you reply, they may occasionally ask you to add the photos. For instance, take photos of your breakfast and the clothes you're wearing today and send them to earn $10. This is typically quite easy, and they'll ask you to take some simple photos of items around you each day to earn money. You can earn money on StreetBees by doing whatever they ask you to do, including taking whatever images they need you to take, uploading them, and sending them to them. You can now download this app for free from the Google Play Store or the App Store. Simply complete one of the tasks or the question prompts to earn cash. When you click the Join Now button, you'll be sent to the App Store, or, if you're using an Android device, the Google Play Store. Both of these stores have relatively good reviews. 33,000 of them have given them 4 stars, so you can check them out for yourself. Again, you can see some of the examples here, so download the app and give it a shot. It'll only take you a few minutes each day to finish a story, send a message, and reply to one. And you'll instantly be able to earn $10. As a new platform and company, they now have a StreetBees ambassador program where you can join and get paid to help us expand your country. This is something I'd want to bring up because it's something they provide. Whatever country you're from, if you're from the US, UK, Philippines, India, Kenya, Sri Lanka, or Nigeria, this is a good opportunity to join this company today because it is trending. While it's still early, you can click the Apply Now button and you can join them. From 87 various countries around the world, and each time you share a story, send a message, or reply to a short question, you will be compensated with good money. Since there is presently limited competition and many individuals who are unaware that this website even exists, all you have to do to join the StreetBees Ambassador program is enter your name and email and sign up for this form by clicking Apply Now. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.